Selamat pagi. Jadi Sarito hari ke-1 datai ba China. Jadi Sarito lagi kami bisa pejalai ngagai nama tempat tu nah. Okey, Daming Palace National Heritage Park. Untuk view ba hotel Nur kami dia. Itu bertingkat 12. Itu kami menerus ke perjalanan kami menuju ke tempat ya ke hari ke-1.
The palace. The palace is called Daming Palace. The Daming Palace actually in the city out of the town, of the old town with the wall around. We are going to see the wall in our schedule. City wall. The city wall is one of the best preserved complete city wall in the country China. But then out of the city wall we discovered this palace. The foundation of the palace is called the Daming Palace. Daming Palace means, first of all, it's big. We can use another word, enormous. Really big. For me, a local,
the biggest in China.
I never finish the round tour of this big palace. Always go to the hardcore of the palace itself because it's so big, so enormous. So outside of the hardcore, they have open to the public. That means almost every people can go to this park on the edge to exercise. When we go there in the morning, you can see the local people. Sometimes they fly the kite, play Tai Chi, running. So one trip around palace, around 10 kilometers, the long distance. Lake Shui, according Chinese location culture, is called Feng Shui. You heard about China, they quite popular even today, the Feng Shui. So Feng Shui including the lake, water. For us, if it's possible, we always have the water in the room or in the house. For my example, my apartment is only like 140 square meters, but also in the lobby room, a living room, I had a fish tank for the fishes inside. So water, fish, lucky animal, and water is feng shui. So you can change to the better feng shui. So emperor same in the Tang Dynasty, Tang, Tang Dynasty, 1,400 years ago, roughly, the emperor, second emperor of the Tang, want to treat his father well and better to show other people of his people. Oh, I treat my father really good. To knock down the people, the houses, but move them to the high buildings, apartments. So in the museum at the end, they showed us in the 20-30 years ago what kind of house the local people lived, and also they have pictures about what they are living now to see the differences of living conditions.
Untung orang tukar kamera jarang pada itu ya punya Daming Xian Daming Palace.
We drive Xiaomi car, this car
Okay,
Okay, ready?
ready.
1, 2, 3, jump! Yay!
Sejarah Daming Palace atau Daminggong di Xi'an, China. Daming Palace adalah istana kekaisaran terbesar pada zaman dinasti Tang dan merupakan salah satu tapak sejarah terpenting di China. Istana ini terletak di Xi'an, dulu bernama Chang'an, ibu kota dinasti Tang. Dibangun pada tahun 634 Masehi pada masa Kaisar Tang Taizong. Awalnya dibuat sebagai kediaman musim panas untuk ayahnya, Kaisar Gaozu, karena istana lama, Taiji Palace, terlalu panas dan lembab. Kemudian diperluas besar-besaran oleh Kaisar Tang Gaozong dan menjadi istana utama Kekaisaran Tang. Selama lebih dari 220 tahun, Daming Palace menjadi pusat pemerintahan, politik, dan upacara negara. Lebih dari 17 Kaisar Tang memerintah dari istana ini. Disinilah keputusan penting negara dibuat, termasuk urusan diplomasi, militer, dan administrasi. Pada akhir dinasti Tang, abad ke-9, kekuasaan melemah akibat pemberontakan dan konflik politik. Istana mengalami kebakaran dan kerusakan berulang kali. Setelah jatuhnya dinasti Tang tahun 907 Masehi, Daming Palace ditinggalkan dan perlahan menjadi reruntuhan. Kini kawasan ini dilindungi sebagai Daming Palace National Heritage Park. Pengunjung dapat melihat reruntuhan fondasi bangunan istana, Museum Daming Palace, model dan rekonstruksi digital istana Tang. Daming Palace melambangkan puncak kejayaan dinasti Tang, kemajuan arsitektur, budaya, dan sistem pemerintahan Cina kuno, pengaruh besar Cina terhadap Asia dan dunia pada abad ke-7 sampai abad ke-9.
Kawan, kata-kata hari ini? Ada kata-kata hari ini?
udah ngisap tadi.
Now we're coming to
Tu
Daming
Daming Palace. Yes. So, kapanku paling sikat buat KJJ ko ya. Okey, dia tu kami menung tempat terubah. Nur kami hari ke-1 tu ianya Daming Palace. Di tu tempat keterubah di lawak kami ianya Daming Palace.
哥，我想弄到12米，肯定能肉不起来，半年还可以。
我们那天测的13米的绕不挺好？
这帮不是说有那个，赶快就不要回去。说算了，俺这里把钱来了，不要了。
Kakak. Okay. Kami dah bend. 1, 2, 3. Ikan masak, jangan masak cepat.
Oh, sikutnya lah kacak. Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Dayang ambil kita.
Nice. Makan sikit, Pai. Makan sikit.
Lama tahu tu nak tu.
Cepat, jangan.
Aku belakang. Okey.
Mari dulu.
you sama masuk ah?
Ya, saya masuk.
Nama nak
Not yet. Not yet.
Nama nak flip ke depan kameranya, Mel. Dia masuk jalan sana nanti.
Nampak. Okey, masuk. Lagi kau di belakang. Ya, masuk. Ibu terus masuk. Ulang baru.
Jalan biasa aja kan?
Ayah, you boleh dekat belakang deh.
Cepat masuk.
Macam ni, Mela.
You masuk.
Belum, tunggu saya. Oke, 1, 2, 3, gitu. Kemana dia?
Apa, pusing aja, pusing baru.
Oke.
Ya. Ya. Weh, mana? Tuh dia.
Gold color, 黄色. Red and gold.
The front gate.
This is the front main gate.
Main gate.
Yeah, the main entrance. At that time, they had all the wall outside around the nose, and on the top have guards to protect the emperor 24 hours. And then the main gate is shut after the dawn, after sunset. So they guard every time over there. So this is only one entrance for the such big.
How many kilometers?
Oh, how many? Oh, how many kilometers?
No.
Oh, this way. This way. I mean, let me see, 10, roughly 10.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, all right. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, up to go there.
Jam 1 kali lagi boleh? Jalan nih. Dia sendiri jalan masuk video. Jalan masuk. Oh, jam kah?
That is the original foundation
Siapa jam?
of the one house.
Oke.
The one house.
Oh, lagi.
And the three major house.
Ting, you jam.
All there is colors. But we have different sections.
Lagi. Semua. Satu kali.
Letak belakang sana lah.
Hah?
Letak belakang Dian.
Oh, Dian. Oke.
Jom.
Oke. Semua satu kali.
Belakang ni tak. Jom. 1, 2, 3. Yes. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Oke, dan 1, 2, 3, jump.
Line up. No need. Just line up.
Just line up.
Yeah.
No need passport, right?
No need.
Okay.
Danfomen is the main gate. So it's a rectangle shape of the palace. And then they have a 3 main house. 1, 2, 3. And then the major house is where he meet the officials. In the rear house of there he's living. His wife, his children living here in Huapai. Behind there has a garden and a lake called Taiyachi. So it's a huge area. That's why I said it's nearly 5 times bigger than Forbidden City. Okay, let's go to take the golf car over there. We're going to see the museum first.
Tengok dia punya palace. Rupanya dia punya gate saja. Dia sampai palace lagi. Itu yang besar sudah baru gate.
Okey, dia tu kami benuang nama tu. Depan kereta atau depan berjalan-berjalan itu. Nama kereta tu dah ya? Bagi. Okey, bagi-bagilah oh.
Jawab belakang.
Okey.
Belakang.
Okey.
Ya kak, celap. Bakal angin tu, celap. Sudah sejuk, kena angin lagi sejuk. Okey, dia tu Daming Palace Heritage Museum.
So that's the reason why you couldn't see some of the buildings above. You can see all heritage. Yeah, so here we found holes or pillars supporting the house. We found the bricks. Bricks made long time ago, but in the Tang Dynasty, the brick is really good quality. even same method, even more precious.
Stop dulu. Jam.
Stop dulu.
Jam. Satu.
Lurus. Sudah kah?
Very special. But of course, the Tang Emperor also drink Longjing. Longjing, dry green tea, nice green tea. This is the green tea in China. But also we have a green tea as well in South. It's called the Hanzhong Lü Hao green tea. It's also very. Here are many people living here above the site. Yeah, above the site of the palace. And so at the time we call this area called Daobei. D-A-O-B-E-I. Daobei, what means? Bei means north direction. So north of the railway, 火车道. So Daobei area of the past, before 2007. Many people living here, so they're basically living in some kind of house. One family, like four.
So they move all these people
To the high apartments. They build the high buildings around here. They move them away. Old town.
Supaya kita punya ayat dekat
For them is definitely.
from this small little one that can get
Yeah, the bigger one and the nice palace.
So outside is all the high
Outside is all the high buildings. So after this park opened public, the buildings around the price is going up. At least double price.
and they decay all some more. Move them out. So this outside area we can control that with snow. We can inside. So that outside of the they are still inside.
Arakulari Museum. Tempat bersejarah mah, tempat bersejarah.
Ambil semua itu dapat digambar kah ya?
Ada tempatnya siapa digambar ya lah kami ini dapat digambar. Iya, itu ada rubuh. Kamu ada jumpa lah. Ya? Surai akan berjalan dah. Yang ambil gambarnya juga dia itu keluar mah. Saya juga ada. Tapi polisi.
Nora, sama tu, pesos, also like that.
Beijing pilih.
Daming. Okay.
前啊。
Daming. Let's go. Alo kita ajak besok dalam video. Kau nak raya? Mimin jam aku masuk dalam YouTube lah.
Ambil YouTube kah?
YouTube. Tu di YouTube tu lah. Ya kebuah kumpul telepon melintang. Nanti YouTube kan ya mesti full buat TV dah.
Yes.
Ya. Dia tu kami baru keluar dari museum. Dahnya kaki ni kita tu berjalan tu. Jalan lapar kapan bedang? Lapar kan? Lapar kan?
Sao chọn miễu? Tới bà bé.
Now you can see this is we try to come here how Daming Palace originally looked like. 就在1400年前啊，大明宫到底长啥样？That is like this. See over there. That is Danfengmen. The gate over there. So from south all the way to the north. Yeah, in the middle we have the three biggest hall. In the middle we call the axis. 中轴线. Behind the left, behind the middle, the major hall, they have unique 太岳池. 太岳池 also have three small facilities.
把那个浇上去，芝士浇上去。
The sauce.
You already know.
啊，对，素，对，
招财。
有满满的仪式感。
That is veggie, mixed veggie.
对，那个是豆腐上香，那边上的。
上了一道。
Okay.
Cheers. Cái bê straw close up.
They got two. You call them and them.
Nó bring one left.
Opa.
Ini sup.
Miso.
Ini babi. Itu ada batu. Batu tak boleh makan.
Sekian video untuk hari pertama kami untuk di sesi pagi di Daming Palace National Heritage Park. Teruskan bersama Martin Sonan Channel untuk menyaksikan video kami di romance show Xi'an China. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share. Terima kasih.